Hello, how are you? It's a beautiful day outside. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite movie? I'm running late, sorry. The sunset is breathtaking. I need to go grocery shopping. Could you pass the salt, please? I'm looking forward to the weekend. Let's go for a walk in the park. Do you have any plans for tonight? The traffic is terrible this morning. I enjoyed the book I read last week. Are you coming to the party? Could you lend me a hand? What's your dream vacation destination? This cake tastes amazing. I'm so tired after a long day at work. Can you believe she is coming? Let's order pizza for dinner. Have you been to that new restaurant? I need to fix my car's flat tire. It's important to stay hydrated. What's your favorite type of cuisine? I'm excited for the upcoming holidays. I can't find my keys anywhere. Let's meet up for lunch next week. Cooking dinner together sounds fun. I'm learning to play the guitar. Have you seen the latest news? How do you like your steak cooked? The flowers in the garden are blooming. Can you recommend a good book? I need to do some laundry today. Let's go on a road trip someday. My phone battery is almost dead. Have you ever been skydiving? It's important to stay true to yourself. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? I can't believe I won the lottery. Let's go for a hike this weekend. I'm craving some chocolate right now. The museum had some incredible art. Do you enjoy cooking or baking? It's never too late to chase your dreams. I can't wait to see you again. The mountains are so peaceful. Let's have a picnic in the park. I'm trying to eat healthier these days. What's your favorite childhood memory? I'm thinking of redecorating my room. The stars are so bright tonight. I'm trying to learn a new language. Let's go to the gym together. I love the smell of fresh flowers. Do you have any plans for the holidays? It's important to stay positive. I'm going to Europe next week. Can you help me move this heavy table? The sunsets at the beach are stunning. I need to buy a gift for my friend's birthday. Let's go window shopping downtown. I'm excited to start a new job. Have you ever tried to solve this with different method? Laughter is the best medicine. The snowfall looks magical. I need to make a doctor's appointment. Let's have a barbecue in the backyard. I'm going to a yoga class later. What's your favorite type of music? I enjoy spending time with my family. I'm saving up for a vacation. Do you like to go camping? Let's bake cookies this weekend. I'm going to visit my grandparents. The city lights are mesmerizing. I need to buy a new pair of shoes. Let's go to a comedy show. I love watching the sunrise. I'm going to a friend's wedding. Let's plant some flowers in the garden. I enjoy going to the farmer's market. I'm going to the gym to work out. Let's have a game night with friends. I'm going to learn how to cook sushi. Let's take a cooking class together. I'm going to a photography workshop. Let's volunteer at a local shelter. Do you need any help finding something? We have a special offer on these items today. Would you like to try it on? Do you mind if I borrow your pen for a moment? Chop the onions finely for the sauce. Season the dish with salt and pepper to taste. Put the garlic and mushrooms in olive oil. I need to find a parking spot. I need to fill up the gas tank before we go.